Hello, in front of me I've got BYD SEAL 5. In this video I'll show you what is AVAS and how to test it. In the beginning, let's go to settings and next go to sound and display. Enter notifications and here you can find AVAS sound source. In context of your vehicle settings, AVAS stands for Acoustic Vehicle Alerting System. It is a safety feature specially designed for electric vehicles and hybrids, because electric motors are nearly silent at low speeds. Pedestrians, especially those with visual impairment, of people walking in parking lots may not hear a vehicle approaching. Let's test how it works. The AVAS is low speed warning. The system generates artificial sound, often futuristic hum, whip, or spaceship noise, when the car is traveling at low speeds, typically under 30 km per hour. In many regions, including EU, US, and China, AVAS is legal requirement for all new quiet vehicles to reduce risk of accident with pedestrians and cyclists. To test it, tap play. Now you can hear the AVAS sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.